Now let us see how to use the format plot area option. Right click on the format plot area, right click on the plot area. This is the plot area that was chosen. Click on format plot area option and you can see fill option is there. So I'll just do it here. I'll choose the fill option, and in this fill option I'll use picture or texture fill. Default texture will be displayed before you. You can change the texture to any of these in this way. You can even change it into a picture by inserting it from file. Click on the file and you can click on any of the picture that you want. So this is how you can change the plot area, the pattern of the plot area. One border color. Now as I told you, border color, that means this border where you can see this circles, square, that means the area which is selected right now. You use this and you use border color. I use a gradient line, that means, or let us take solid line, because solid line will look more attractive. So let us take into a blue border, and you want the border style. Now border style, let us increase the border style to 4.25. I want that compound line should be there. I want it should be bevel, and press close if you don't want shadow and 3D format. But if you want shadow and 3D format, you can see the shadows presets are options are available here. You can choose any of them. Like right now there is no shadow. If I use any kind of inner shadow, or there is a out perspective, that means outer shadows also. Let us see the inner shadow, but inner shadow would not be seen. You can take the outer shadow if you want. So you can see that there is a black color. If you want any color, any specific color for the shadow also, that also can be done. Let us do it with any vibrant color. Let us take yellow. Yellow is not showing here. Let us do it as red, and then we will do shadow. Increase the decrease the transparency, so you can see that shadow color is also visible to you. 3D format, how you want the look of your plot area, that also can be defined. Change it. So actually practically you have to do all these things. Otherwise, if I will show it to you and it is not showing, you will not be able to see the effects. So practically please try to do it, then only you will be able to see the effects. So this is the closure of my chapter today. I have taught you here tables, I have taught you charts. So hope you like the videos that I have shown to you today. Please practice it at home. Thank you.